Hello, my name is Anna Eden, and in this video I'm going to share about what is sexual energy and how can you as a man master your sexual energy. So sexual energy is basically life force energy or creative energy or kundalini. It has many different names. It's the energy that creates life, and it's like an engine inside of us. So if you're connected to your life force energy, you will feel this like constant drive and lust for life and like in your everyday life. So it is not the same thing as being horny, even if it's sexual energy. It's not the same thing as being horny. Yes, you can feel activated. Yes, you can feel sexual, but it's much broader than that. So as a man, your seed, your sperm contains life force energy. So when you are releasing this or spilling this frequently without any specific intention, you're actually giving away your life force. So you're losing your life force energy. And this can drain you, and this can limit the way you can experience pleasure and the depth you can go to with a partner in bed. So one way to master your sexual energy and have more of this sexual energy in your life is to master ejaculation, or be conscious about your ejaculation so you can ejaculate by choice instead of just like a habit or something that happens. So how does this work? Yeah, so one way of getting in contact with your sexual energy and feeling this in your body is to first experience how is it to not ejaculate. What is your energy level like, and how does your body feel if you don't ejaculate, if you don't watch porn, because this is also something that's damaging us a lot in today's society. Looking at visuals just to get off, using the lower chakras just in our genitals, and then it's over and we feel empty, right? So no porn, no ejaculation. What happens then? And notice that and track your body and track your sensations, and then start to experience pleasure and connection in a new way from your body instead of the mind, and learn how to circulate this energy in your body. So for example, if you look at lovemaking, if you're in action, how you can practice this is to go to 80% or something like that. You have to feel for yourself. Let's say you build up the sexual energy, the excitement to 80%. So you don't go to the point of no return, but you stop there. You pause, you breathe, you connect deeply to your partner, you stay in your body, and you circulate this energy up to your crown and down again to your perineum area. So the perineum is between your balls and the anus. So this is a pleasure point and an important point in the male body. So this is where you circulate the energy, and you pause there. And from this space, you continue lovemaking, but on this 80, 85, maybe 90%. So in this way, you will experience more pleasure and have longer lovemaking, and you remove the goal of the orgasm or the ejaculation. Because what happens when ejaculation takes place is the energy goes all the way up 100% and all the way down like 0%. So instead, we're operating here at like 80%. And when being here and like having this, being fully present in this space, we're like expanding. We can feel so much more, and we can connect deeper to each other. We are so programmed with this linear way of making love. Like first there's a foreplay, then there's this, then there's penetration, and then we come. But what if we remove that? What happens then? And this is where the magic happens. This is when you can go to cosmos together, and you can really have so many sensations in your whole body, and we can access orgasmic waves of pleasure instead of like a peak orgasm. So this is what where we want to get at, experience this orgasmic bliss the whole time. Because if we have that, it's not so important if we like calm or not calm. Like it's about being in this state of orgasmic bliss. So for a man, how do you start to experience this? Yes, for example, you can start with a detox. You can start for 7 days or 14 days, 21 days, what feels good for you, and remove porn from your life and stop ejaculating and don't have penetrative sex during this time. And you will notice what happens in your body. And you will also notice if your urges are controlling you, like pretty girls or porn, or, you know, just like, oh, I'm feeling horny, I need to do something about it. Can you be with that? Can you do squats instead? Can you go for a run, you know? So then you teach your own energy that, it can be rechanneled, it can be used for something else. So it's really beautiful when we can use this life force energy to create, you know, our projects and like perform at work. And just like as creative beings, instead of just letting it out because we feel something in our genitals. So yeah, that's how you can work with sexual energy and really learn to harness the sexual energy through no ejaculation practice. But let me also clarify, it's not about never, it's not about don't ever ejaculate or stay as many days as possible without ejaculating. No, this is about you and your body and how it feels for you. You have to experiment with yourself and find your way. But by abstaining for a while, by withdrawing, you can notice these things within yourself. And I have friends who don't ejaculate in a whole year because they feel more energized like that. And some only ejaculate on the full moon, and some ejaculate only with their, you know, partner they're like in love with. Because let's see this as something sacred as well. It's your life force. If you just give it away to a screen or something that doesn't mean anything, it loses its essence. So yeah, it's really up to you. But a start to get to know yourself could be to have a period of time and not engage in these activities and start to work with your breath, circulate energy in your body, and rechannel this energy to other activities in your life. I hope you enjoy this, and let me know if you're on this journey and we can see how I can help you.